In this video, you'll learn how to use an oscilloscope to capture and analyze LIN bus waveforms in a car. Tap the left power button to turn it on. It boots straight into the oscilloscope interface. The two left ports are for oscilloscope waveform input. The right port is for signal generator output. Connect the oscilloscope probe to channel 1, tighten it. The black clip is ground. The other lead is the signal probe. Insert the multimeter probe into the car window LIN bus signal line. Attach the alligator clip to the car body ground and connect it to the oscilloscope ground clip. Connect the oscilloscope signal probe to the multimeter probe. Switch the setting to 1x mode. You'll see the signal waveform flickering on the screen. Tap Auto. This is the LIN bus signal, it's jumping fast. We can reduce the time base a bit. Set the trigger mode to single. Once it captures the signal, it will automatically freeze the waveform. That rapid pulse is the LIN signal waveform. We can pause it to analyze the waveform. This is a standard serial waveform.